So this is just the recap here for live stream 57, I believe. And let's just talk about what happened here. So we missed the open and came to the market about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Prices were heading to the upside here. First, I took a long looking for the move up towards the 41s. I got out of it for, I think it was near break even. The reason being, I saw prices pulling back, especially after I saw the this candle here. I didn't like the fact that we came up putting a doji and we saw this candle. So prices may reverse a little bit. So we got out of that position and we got back in. I'm not sure why the executions aren't correct here. So we got out of the position. Took a series of longs. Yep, so we took longs. We're looking for longs here on the market. The first long was a breakout above the highs from the earnings yesterday. So we're above those highs. So thought with strong bullish close would have continuation. Prices were choppy in around here, and so it didn't quite work. The very next stuff we're looking at to the upside was the 75.75 and the 70. Sorry, it's the 75.75. Beyond that, we've got 96.50 or so. Those were levels that we were looking at. In fact, I wasn't here for the prices to head up there. I had a trade running for a long time. I was looking for prices to head all the way up to 18,016, thinking we could have an extended move to the upside, despite the fact that we gapped up huge off the news of Microsoft and Google's earnings. Prices chopped around a fair bit. I wasn't at the charts as prices came into the previous all-time highs from a couple of months ago. So is the 75, so is the 96. I wasn't here for that. This execution here is for another account. I'm not sure why they constantly show up on this chart, but wasn't here. And that was the take profit on that one. So we were long over here at 41. So we went long. We took profits at 54. Watch prices head to the 75s and then pull back. But after we took profit, we placed an order at 41. Didn't think we'd be filled. Price came down, filled the order, and we're in that trade for couple of hours. We're in from 11:15 Eastern Standard Time, and we finally exited that position. So we're in the position. It went all the way up towards that 96.50. Wasn't here, so didn't see that. Prices pulled back. I did see this part though. Price came down, closed below the 50 period. I thought about closing the position. We didn't see that continuation to the downside. Instead, we saw bullish buy side momentum. As prices came in towards the highs here, I took profit. And at that point, I was up 73 points. I said I would stop trading, but I didn't. I decided that I'll watch the market into the close. Bad idea. So what I did was I decided to watch the market. And as prices pulled back to this level around the 75 previously acted as resistance, looked like support just here. Couldn't close below it. Had a rally back up to 96.50. Thought we'd see a, of course you work now. Just watching this sell off after close. I was actually short, but because of it was a revenge trade, I got out of it for a break even. But that's neither here nor there. So saw this candle, thought we'd see the continuation up. Prices came down, held the position, finally closed the position as we got near the 50 period here. Prices was started being bought off the 50 period. I went long, so off this trade to the downside, this trade here, I lost over 20 points. And on this trade, I went long off the 50 period. I thought we would see on the bullish momentum that was built, bullish price movement that was coming off the 50. Thought we'd see that move up towards the highs. Did not. Price turned around. Eventually had to close position. Lost pretty much another 20 points, 20 plus points there. So that brought me from being up 73 points to being only up 31 points in the day. So I gave back over 50% of my profits. I then took a revenge trade. This was a short as prices pulled back, because what happened was with the last long position, I held the position and eventually my stop was down at 34. So I thought as prices came down pretty strongly, I thought I'd be stopped out. So I closed the position and prices bounced. So I decided I wanted to go short and target my previous stop as a target, and prices pulled back, was consolidating a bit around this 841, being aware of these previous lows and these lows over here. Didn't want to be in the position, so adjusted my target to break even, and that's what brought me from being down 29 points to being up 31 points. So I picked up an extra 2 points there. What else we've got in this chart? So we've got this horizontal box, and the reason I drew this horizontal box was because we had this consolidation through here, had all of this buying and consolidation. See all these wicks here. This is pretty much why I drew this box. This box consolidation areas probably has a lot of volume where buyers and sellers can't really decide who's in charge. So drew this box as a potential support. Price came into it along with the 50 period, and we seen the bounce out of it. We had to profit. So if I didn't continue trading here into the close, there was a possibility of keeping 73 points. But at the same time, if the market would have held support there, followed through, I would have been up over 100 points. So it's just one of those things. You're going to risk your profits to make even more profits. Can't really beat myself up too much about it. It's a little disappointing that I was up 73, but I'm going to end the day at 31. But at the end of the day, we've still got growth in the account. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here. Oh, I'm not talking into the mic, sorry. What I'm going to do here, oh, that's too close. What I'm going to do here is have the trade performance come up, and so I'm just bringing over the trade performance here. Issues here. Let's get a trade performance up. So having some issues with the trade performance here. So finally got a trade performance on the screen, and as we can see here on the trade performance, we had a peak balance of 73.5. We were in the negative a little bit early on. Oh, that was from the earlier trades when we were trying to take the breakouts of the highs from yesterday after the earnings of Microsoft and Google. So we had a bit of a pullback here. After that, of course, we continued to grow the account. We had a peak balance, a peak net cumulative gain of 73.5 points. From there, we did take those two really bad trades and ended up giving back a fair bit, over 50% of our gains. And then finally we had that small break even that see us finish the day 31 points here. Just going to take a screenshot. It's just not working. Let's go. So just took a screenshot right there. We'll have a look on the analysis. So we've had a look at the analysis page. If we look at the trades per, have a look at the trades here per, let's have a look at per 30-minute entry time. So those trades actually worked out. The trade from 3 p, not 3, would have been 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That didn't work. Into the close here, that's where we gave back those gains. So we've given back 44 points. Wow, it's more than I thought. So gave back 44 points across those two trades here into the close. And there's our break even, small gain at 2 points. So there's a 44 points. If we have a look at the summary page, on the summary page here, we can see our total gains. No, that's our net total gains, total loss, commissions, a fair bit there, positive profit factor. Let's see, 64% accuracy. It would have been a lot higher if I didn't take those trades at the end of the day there. But like I said, sometimes those trades will work, and instead of being up 73, I'll be up over 100. Average win, average loser is bigger than our average win. Wonder what that was. Oh, right, we did take some small winners early on at the start of the day. The losers, we did have those two big 20+ points here at the close. So largest win, as we can see, fairly big, and it's bigger than our largest loss, which is what we're looking for. We want to see good winning percentage, largest win being bigger than the largest loss. Want to see a positive profit factor. Not a fan of the drawdown, but we gave back those points there at the end at 44 points. That's about it. So consecutive winners is the fact I'm trading 50 contracts. That's why these numbers are looking how they are. I took, I think, less than 5 trades, I believe, across the entire session for this longer stream. And that's pretty much it. I think that covers everything. I wouldn't say there is... There's our distribution here. As you can see, the gains quite a bit bigger than the losses in terms of the net. Are there any lessons to learn? Maybe. I don't know. Like I said, if it worked out, it would have looked fantastic. It would look better. But maybe, just maybe, once we say we're done for the day, we're done for the day. That's probably it. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up this recap video. So thanks for watching.